Hi everyone and welcome back to Pizazz Studios. This is Lori, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made this abstract wooden clock. Thank you for joining me for another video. Please do remember to hit the like button if you find it inspiring, and do subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate that. I will have a few areas throughout the video where I will come on and explain a couple of things of what I'm doing. If you would like more videos like that, please leave a comment down in the comment section. If you'd like a more step-by-step process so that I know what you're looking for on my channel, I'd appreciate that. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. So the first color I laid down on my clock was black, and this is iridescent graphite. So coming up, you will see me tape off a section of my clock, and I decided after I did this I did not like it, so you are going to see me paint over it. But this was kind of an important part to show you one of the techniques that I use, so I thought I'd leave it in the video. And here I'm just using a wedge to put texture into my paint and put some lines through it. And here is where I'm using a rag. I like to do this to add different things into my paintings. It adds a little bit of depth and some interesting designs, if you will. And here is where I'm adding some marks to my painting. This is where I'm putting the words tick-tock. And here I'm just adding more layers of paint because I really enjoy lots of layers in my abstract paintings. I think it adds a lot of depth and interesting pieces to each painting. throwing down some paint for my galaxy look. It adds a bit of a splatter effect. My clock is now complete. Here is a close-up of the wet finished piece, and I will include a photo of the clock in just a moment here with the clock mechanism installed after it has dried and been varnished. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful day.